Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to delete labels in Gmail. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Gmail. Make sure you are logged into your account. Here you'll find the label section, or if you want to add a new label, you can click the plus option. Like we did. But if you've already created a label that you want to remove, then in that case, just click the three dots option over here. Once you click on three dots, you find different options where you can simply look for Remove Label option. Make sure to click on Remove Label. It will ask you for a confirmation. Do you want to delete this label? So of course you want to make sure to click the delete icon here, and that label will get successfully deleted. When you refresh it next time, you will no longer be able to see that label. In this way, you'll be able to delete labels in Gmail. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.